All right, so I'm gonna install some of this interior trim. This is the seatbelt trim and the pillar. I forget what pillar this is called, maybe C pillar, that goes inside. I gutted this stuff a while ago, and then I've kind of reverted the inside of my car back to, you know, full interior with the exception of the headliner because I threw that away and destroyed it. But this stuff has just been sitting in the closet for a while, and we're about to move, so I'm gonna put this in just to free up some space in the house for the move. All right, guys, so my buddy Kiefer showed up with his R32 Skyline. I don't know how well you can see it out here. It's pretty dark, but he's just giving it a quick wash. Now, as far as my interior trim goes, first things first, it's the trim right here on the pillar, right there. So you have to take out the seat in order to get to it. So the seat's super easy. It's just 14 millimeters, one on each corner of the seat. You can just slide the seat forward or backwards to get to them really easy. And then once you take those 4 out, you can lift the seat out, pull it back, and then I should be able to get to the trim on the pillar there. So we've gone ahead and put the trim in. This part right here has a Phillips head screwdriver right back there, a Phillips head screwdriver bolt, and then a 10 millimeter right up here behind that little door. The hardest part is lining up this black part right there with the seatbelt thing, so you can slide it up and down. But once you get that in, it just clips in, you put in those 2 bolts, and it's good to go. Then for this part, this big black part is just a bunch of clips. Once you get all those clips in and get it fitted, put the trim over that side and that side back there, then this just clips into place. So once you get both those in, then you can just put the seats back in, and that's it.